Alright guys, so if you clicked on this video, it's for one of two reasons. One, you want to check out this sick spot for beginner skaters, or two, you just want to see me trying to progress and practice my tricks. So this spot is super sick. So one of the cool things about the spot is just how far it goes. It goes like a couple hundred feet. Like I didn't even make it to the end. The road is just like so long and nice. It's literally just like the perfect spot. Like I literally love skating this spot. Now, besides being able to cruise around in this spot, it's also really perfect for you to practice all of your flat ground tricks that you may want to do. I just think it's really cool how you can just practice your stationary tricks right here with nobody bothering you, and also the fact that you could practice, if you like to move, your moving tricks. If you just want to get used to doing moving tricks, this place is just perfect. So, I don't know if you guys just saw the little dog that just passed by. That's the front door of your neighbor's dog. Low-key, I got scared a little bit because like I've never like interacted with that dog before, and like it just froze and we both just looked at each other. I didn't want it to bite me or anything, so I just started calling it over, and he's a sweet dog. Turns out he's a sweet dog. The little puppy left me a little present on my board. But look at her, she's nice. Another thing I absolutely love about this spot is just all the shade. Like I don't have to worry about the heat because there's just so much shade, and besides the occasional front door neighbor passing by, it's pretty peaceful. Yeah, the dog's fine. Yeah, she is. But yeah guys, this spot is absolutely amazing. If you guys want to see me practice, then go ahead and keep watching, and if not, feel free to click off, but I think I'm gonna go skate a little bit. So yeah guys, that's right now I'm just practicing my ollies, and I'm practicing my pop shove-its. Those are the two first tricks that I decided to learn on my little skate journey. My ollie is still kind of rusty. I can definitely do some work. I know what I'm doing wrong, but for some reason I just can't fix it. My pop shove-it's coming around. I've landed it a couple of times, but like I just can't commit to it, I guess you could say. Compared to exactly 10 days ago though, I think I've actually improved quite a bit, because this is my ollie back then versus my ollie now. So guys, if you made it this far, let me know in the comments. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like, comment down below what trick I should probably try to learn next, and have a good day. Bye guys.